Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data science skills with DataCamp step by step clearly. Start by visiting the DataCamp website. Create a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the course catalog. Explore the various data science tracks offered. Select a track that aligns with your career goals. Click on the chosen track to view the specific courses included. Take note of the recommended path and prerequisites for each course. Begin with the introductory courses to build a solid foundation. Engage actively with the interactive coding challenges provided. Utilize the practice exercises to reinforce your understanding. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Participate in community discussions and forums for additional support. Make use of DataCamp's resources, such as cheat sheets and webinars. Consider scheduling daily or weekly study sessions for consistent learning. Set specific goals for each learning session to maintain focus. After completing a course, apply your skills with real-world projects. Review what you've learned by summarizing key concepts and practices. Don't hesitate to revisit topics or courses that need reinforcement. As you grow more confident, tackle advanced courses and specializations. Share your projects on platforms like GitHub to showcase your skills. Network with other learners to exchange knowledge and ideas. Continuously seek feedback on your work to identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.